fire up your grill and make these delicious, juicy pork chops in minutes. They are so easy to make and so fabulous. Let me show you how. Hey everybody, I'm Kelly with the Suburban Soapbox, and today we are making the best grilled pork chops. And it starts with a simple pork chop marinade that you're going to want to use all year long. All you need to make your grilled pork chops are obviously some pork chops, and I like to do a center cut bone-in pork chop. They just kind of are a little more forgiving when you're throwing them on the grill, so they won't, if you overcook them, they're still juicy and tender. And then our pork chop marinade, which actually infuses so much flavor into the meat. You want to start with some pineapple juice and some brown sugar, apple cider vinegar, a little bit of Worcestershire sauce or soy sauce, olive oil, garlic, smoked paprika, Italian seasoning, salt, and pepper. So we're gonna add everything to the measuring cup and then just whisk it all together. The brown sugar, olive oil. I like to use pineapple juice because the enzymes in the pineapple juice will tenderize your meat. It's really good for like steak and chicken as well. And then the Worcestershire sauce gives it that like extra umami flavor. Some minced garlic, smoked paprika. We'll just do a little bit of salt, some Italian seasoning, and you can use fresh herbs if you like, and pepper. And then whisk all of that together. You just want to whisk it until that sugar dissolves a little bit. Oops, splashing everywhere. All right, so now we're going to marinate the pork chops. And to do that, I have a bowl with a zip top bag, and you're going to transfer your pork chops into the bag. And the reason I have it in a bowl is to help prevent some spills. So when you pour that marinade in there, your bag doesn't topple over and you spill marinade everywhere. This fly would like to join the party. He's not. And then we're just gonna pour in our marinade. And I like to marinate these for no less than 4 hours, sometimes overnight, but you don't wanna marinate it longer than 24 hours because your meat will start to break down and then it can become like mushy, and that's never good eats. So my recommendation is to marinate this in the refrigerator until you're ready to cook it in the bowl. So if you spring leaks, there's not gonna be a big mess. And press out as much air as you can so that that marinade really gets all over your pork chops. So when you're ready to grill this, take it out of the fridge for about 30 minutes. Anytime that you grill meat, it's best for it to be closer to room temperature so that it cooks evenly all the way through. So these pork chops have been marinating for about 4 to 6 hours, and you can see that they're a different color. They're already they're looking pretty amazing, but we're just gonna grill them up now. Preheat your grill, and you want it to be about medium high. Once your grill is hot, place the chops on the grill and cook the pork chop until it releases easily from the grill grates. That's gonna take about 4 to 5 minutes. Flip your pork chops over and cook for another 4 to 5 minutes. You want your pork chops to register to about 140 degrees. All right, let's go back over to the counter and we'll finish them up over there. Our pork chops are done. I've plated them beautifully, and I'm just gonna add a little bit of parsley to the top. I have succotash here, which goes brilliantly with the pork chops. So we'll just plate that there. So before you serve these, after they're off the grill, you wanna let them rest for about 45 minutes so that the juices have a chance to redistribute through the meat. If you cut into it right off the grill, all the juice is gonna go right onto the platter and leave you with a nice dry pork chop, which is not good eats. So I'm just gonna take a quick bite. This one here looks fantastic. You can see it's so juicy. That is so amazing. It's juicy and tender from that marinade. It is amazing. Definitely not a dry pork chop in this house. If you like this recipe, please be sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. For more easy recipes, visit thesuburbansoapbox.com. Thanks again.